Ni polisi ama?
Kurumirira ngahi ya iria ciriga gutumuka tariki 22 mwena wa Kabuchai wadi-ini ya Chwele kaunti-ini ya Bungoma.
Hiyo ni bunduki. Mungu.
Iria ciacungiriirie muthafara wa ngari cia gavana Natembeya gutharikirwo ni nyanake itoikaine. Riu ugitiri wa gavana Natembeya na seneta wa Kakamega Boni Harware ni weheretio hatari notithi. Natembeya akiuga huyu ni mubango wa thirikari wa kumakiria no endi matigwitikira gukirio kiuteti. Kuringana na minister ugitiri wa thiini Kipchumba Murkomen, ugitiri wa area ya weheretio kurumirira nduthukio ya rithathi ni maabitha a borithi aria meheretio ni ruhonge rwa borithi niguo kuheana gitumi gia kurathukia rithathi kuri mucemanio wa muingi.
Any security measure taken by the National Police Service is, as I say, to avoid a crisis. If a police officer attached to VIP is walking and working with goons, what is the best thing to do is to first of all get them away from this crowd of goons so that we can be able to deal with the goons decisively.
Murkomen atariria ati amwe ya maabitha a borithi aria meheretio marakuruhanio na atongoria aya hari guthoga thayo wa muingi na ona uthuthuria warika makwirwo makinya ma kiwatho manyitwo na mahitia.
And I want to warn all police officers, including those attached to VIPs, that the fact that you have been attached to a certain VIP does not make you part and parcel of his campaign, part and parcel of his ideologies, part and parcel of his criminal plans. You need to know that at any one time you remain an officer of the National Police Service.
Natembeya no uri ratongorie kambini cia mungithaniro gicigo giki augite thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ikoretwo kihuthira maabitha a borithi uru wa kuhuthira hinya mukiru kuri muingi. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Maina wa Kihara.